Hey guys, James Lee here with Bosch Rexroth, and I thought I'd go through and do an unboxing of our new Smart Flex Effector kit. It looks like this. Here's a little promo catalog for it. If you haven't heard, but we have a brand new product for the market. It's adaptive robotic sensing technology, and we already have YouTube's videos on it that get into more technicalities of it. You can go on our website to get more information. But again, I just thought I'd do an unboxing to show you how easy it is to get set up and get going right away. So when you order this unit, you're going to get a couple of boxes. It should be just these two. The first box I'll show you as we go through is basically going to be your cables needed, and there will be like a quick startup flyer sheet. If you go down the QR code, you'll be able to download the programmer kit, and within the box you'll see obviously you got the power cord, but that's not going to work here in the US, hence I've got this other box. And that's the way you guys should receive it here in the US. That'll work for you. And you got a couple of cords that'll hook up to the SFE unit. Now, let's go ahead and open this guy up to show you. This is what it looks like out of the box. And pull this guy out. There we go. This off to the side. And voila, here it is. That's the impressive new product solution that we're offering to you. And as you go further into the box, there will be extra cables and cords, another quick startup guide on how to put this all together. So this one would actually hook up to your SFE, and then you can feed that cable directly into your robot. So with that being said, for the sake of video purposes, I went ahead and downloaded the software already. I'm just going to hook this guy up to show you what it's all going to look like. And just to let you guys know, this SFE unit is essentially has 6 degrees of freedom, which obviously is great because it's going to give you live tactile feedback. Tactile meaning, think of like your hand and how you can sense things. It's going to give you true sensing of the object that you're touching. You can attach this to your robotic end arm, or as well as your Cartesian system. Let me get this set up here. Just screw it into this way. Just threading the cable on. Like that. This is going to go into the USB port. I'll take this out. Put this on. Power adapter cord. Put that in. You already see that it's lighting up, as you can see. It's ready to go. I go to my program, but I think I actually have to refresh it because I gotta relaunch this for this, you guys, real quick. There's an executable file. It'll launch software, and here we go. So this is what you're gonna see when you launch it. You can see here there's like different types of search trees on the left, but if you see here, there's X, Y, and Z in the theta, and so if I hit play, start, you're gonna see that it's sending back 6 degrees of freedom, or coordinated motion movements of this whole thing. It's got a temperature scale on there too, but again, the great thing about this is that you can drastically reduce your startup time when it comes to teaching and programming of your robot, because it's giving you live position feedback. So another great example of how to use this to get to market faster with your guys' unit. So that's pretty much it. Quickly unboxed it, added it all up. And again, you can download the program. There's going to be a QR code in the box, so you can download the programmer kit and get going. Hope you enjoy it.